In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Booking.com gift card. Whether you're looking for the perfect gift for a travel enthusiast or planning to treat someone special to a memorable getaway, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. First things first, head over to Giftly's Booking.com page. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address, or use your favorite search engine to look up Giftly and navigate to their Booking.com gift card section. Once you're there, you're in the right place to begin customizing your gift card. Now, on to the exciting part: choosing the gift amount. On Giftly, you have the flexibility to decide how much you want to load onto the gift card, with options anywhere from a modest gesture to a generous treat, up to as much as $1,000. Think about the kind of trip or accommodation you have in mind for your recipient and tailor your gift amount accordingly. This customization not only makes it personal and specific to your recipient's preferences, but also ensures that your gift will be greatly appreciated and enjoyed. Next, it's time to add a personal touch. Along with customizing the gift amount, you can include a heartfelt message that will accompany the gift card. This step is a fantastic opportunity to express your thoughts and wishes, making the gift more meaningful. Whether it's a simple "Happy Travels" or a more detailed note expressing your excitement for their adventures, your message will make the gift unforgettable. Once you've set the amount and composed your message, it's time to decide on the delivery method. Giftly offers several convenient options to suit your needs. You can choose to have the gift card sent directly to the recipient through email or SMS for instant delivery, a great last-minute option. Alternatively, if you prefer a more tangible experience, you can opt to print the gift card at home and present it in person, or order it to be sent by traditional mail, allowing you to create a physical gift card to hand over in a beautifully wrapped envelope. Whatever option you choose, ensure it aligns with your timing and the recipient's preferences. With these choices made, you're almost at the finish line. All that's left is to complete the purchase. On the checkout page, provide the necessary payment details, review your selections carefully to ensure everything is correct, and finalize the transaction. Completing this step is straightforward, and Giftly provides clear instructions to guide you through the process smoothly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully purchased a Booking.com gift card. By doing so, you've opened the door to exciting travel experiences and adventures for your lucky recipient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy gifting.